So, I didn't want to record an intro, but behind me is the new map, and I've actually never seen the new map. Okay, so right here is research facility, and I've actually never seen this before. I want to see this button, where I can do that. What the hell? What? Screw it. Alright, so if I click this. That's cool. Okay, next examination. I do not want to do this. I'm gonna do something real cool. Ooh, cool. Red key. What do I do first? Oh. Ah! Okay. This is... Do I have to be the test subject? Yeah, you kind of do have to be the test subject. Oh. Okay. Ah! Watch this cool trick shot. Okay, let in the first test subject. Or maybe second. Oh gosh! Bob, you cannot scare me like that! Where am I? I don't know if this is a good idea. Alright, now this shouldn't hurt a bit. It shouldn't hurt at all. Wait, what? Greetings, I am Harry Potts. Yeah, I was kind of too... I wasn't really feeling to make an outro, so,